Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Corina's Reading Summertime Storybooks. Today's story is called If You Like More Than Ice Cream. It is written by Brick Puffinton and illustrated by Catherine Selbert. I like you more than ice cream. It sounds silly, but it's true. You mean so very much to me. Here's all the ways you do. I like you more than sprinkles. You're so colorful and fun. I like you more than hot fudge. You're so warm to everyone. I like you more than whipped cream. You're so bubbly and upbeat. I like you more than cherries. You're so wonderful and sweet. I like you more than ice cream. It's an easy thing to do. And if you didn't have some, I'd share my scoop with you.